may-ari ng mga maliliit o malaking kumpanya man, whether nagsisimula, nakapagsimula, o matagal na, you are all welcome at the World Council CEON ASAS. Evaluation should be started in the World Council members. Kung kayo po yung nag-endorse, you should be responsible of endorsing them and nominating them.
Ang purpose po ng Laang Kawal ay to enhance volunteerism po ng ating mga reservists. We have only 150,000 regular troops. We have only 17,000 na Air Force with few airplanes. Nahulog pa yung isa.
Ang World Council is the only award-giving body that has a sustainable development programs to support the Filipinos and those underneath, right?
Dahil Visaya member, sila Pilipino, CEO in Asia, sa Diyos ang papuri.
It is indeed glorious today, which I am not expecting that you will become more as much as I am expecting. But this is only a CEON ASAS, which is the smallest group of the World Council. Only then, I need to accept each and every one. Bagamat huli man daw po ay mayahabol din. Hindi ko kailangang bitiwan yung award natin sa international organization, sa IGO, noong 2019, that we are the most disciplined on time.
Dignitary Visaya member,
Sinag Pilipino, ang CEO and Asia.
sa Diyos ang papuri.